Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this super easy and super cute hairstyle. I didn't use any heat tools on my hair to create this look. I did add in gypsophila flowers in my hair to add in that little bit of extra detail. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. If you guys are unaware, I am growing out my eyebrows again for a part 2 brow transformation. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to keep an eye out for that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I'm doing is I've pulled all my hair up to the top as if I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, and I have just started pulling out random hairs from the front area of my face. Now you don't have to be too neat when doing this. It is a messy hairstyle, so it's supposed to look messy and really cute. Now I'm not going to be using any heat to style this hairstyle, as I want it to be, you know, that natural kind of look. So I'm just going and pulling out random hairs from the back as well, and just readjusting some hairs, and I'm going to keep doing this till I'm satisfied with the amount of hairs that I have pulled out. Once that's done, we're going to start creating the messy bun. Now what I'm doing is I have just wrapped my hair around, and now I'm getting the hairs and I'm tucking them underneath the bun that I've created. Now when doing this, you don't have to be too neat when doing it. You basically just have to grab your hair and just wrap it around, and then I'm just going to grab some bobby pins and start securing my hair until I feel like it is secure enough, ready for the next step. Now, once we have done that, you can either leave your hair as it is and not put any gypsophila flowers in your hair to add in that detail. You can literally just leave it like that and basically head out the door with a cute messy hair bun. But I'm going to go ahead and start adding a little bit more detail to my hair. Now you can do this hairstyle if you're getting married, or for your bridesmaids, or if you've got a photo shoot event. Whatever it is that you guys are doing, I think this is super cute to do. So I'm just grabbing real gypsophila flowers, and I'm just going to start cutting them and start placing them all around the front of my head, and basically to look like I've got a headband on my hair. But I'm not going to be using any bobby pins or anything like that to secure it. I'm just going to place them in and just leave it in as it is. If you guys did want more security on them, you guys can get hairspray and just hairspray your front area of the hair where you've placed the gypsophilia, just so that it stays a little bit more secure. And you guys can use bobby pins as well to secure them, but just be careful when doing that, because you don't want to snap the actual stem of the flower. Once that's done, I'm going to go back to my bun, and I'm just going to start readjusting the bun again, and I'm just going to start pulling out random hairs from my bun just to make it look a little bit more messy. And we're basically done, and that is how to create this super cute hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys hit that notification button to keep an eye out for my brow transformation part 2. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching.